I will tell you one story. We had a gentleman called Kamal Javeri in my batch. He was from Bombay. So Mote sir was in Kolkata. I think Jahar was also there at that time. So I invited Mote sir for dinner in my house. So I told Kamal, come and join me for dinner. Mote sir is coming. He didn't come. So when I met him after 15 days, I said, you didn't come. He said, I'm still scared of Mote sir. You know, when he was married, he had children, that's the description he gave. Mote sir, very disciplined, very firm in life. He would not compromise with anything in life. So, but at heart, I've never seen a kind man like him. Once I went to Darjeeling with him, took him for holiday, and one of my company manufactures inoculum which is given to cows and farmers, organic material, with the Japanese collaboration. We don't make any salary or profit from this. So I was just going, what kind of customers I have. So we met one Nepali who had a cow and he was crying because his cow had stopped giving milk. So he didn't know what to do. So I told my people to give him that effective microorganism to his cow. We hope the cow will be all right. He was crying. So Mote sir told, give him 5,000 rupees. Mote sir could never tolerate anybody in pain. I had a scooter accident in second year. I was in the hospital for 7 days. Mote sir used to come and meet me and bring me some fruits in the evening. I mean, he was so caring that he came. Mote sir told me, I didn't teach you to go and work in USA. If people like you leave, who will create jobs in India? So my purpose was to create jobs in India. So that I could only do by doing entrepreneurship and business rather than go and take the job. So I didn't want to be a job seeker, I wanted to be a job creator. When my company became almost bankrupt, Tega, in 79-80, he came and stayed with me for a week and told me what to do, what not to do. Helped me to keep confident. And that's how I developed an attitude, don't give up.